Do you want to reset the Instagram algorithm? You can reset and change your Instagram algorithm with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To reset the Instagram algorithm, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top right of your profile page. A new settings screen will appear. Scroll down to the What You See section. Under this section, find and tap on Suggested Content. A new screen will appear with different options. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Reset Suggested Content. On the next screen, read everything carefully and tap Next. Review the accounts and content, then tap on Reset Suggested Content at the bottom of the screen. Now, from the pop-up select Reset Suggested Content. After resetting the Instagram algorithm, the platform adjusts the way it recommends content, prioritizing a fresh start based on your new interactions and activities.